chicken and rice, corn salad, chicken on a stick, and grilled chicken. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's episode we will be touring the streets of Bangkok and checking out different adventures. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. As I begin my walk here, I'm going through the market here in Bangkok, which is E10 off of the Sukhumvit Green Line. You could see that they have different fruit vendors here where you can get your extremely fresh fruits. And some vendors that may be napping because they had a rough day. Here's some durian, which I heard is has an interesting odor, for say, but they have that there as well. And you could purchase clothing. This is 100 baht, which is, I would think, about $4. Not a bad price. Banana by the pound, fresh eggs and mangoes. Yeah, a lot of good variety here. Now I'm back on the main road and I just wanted to show you around here. You can see that they have different convenience stores. That was a 7-Eleven. And some of the buildings here, there's stores in the front, and then above there's living quarters. And they have fresh, chicken here, different products on the side of the road that you could purchase if you're hungry throughout your walk. And now I'm back in a different a different market. Okay, today I'm just out here walking the streets of Bangkok, checking out the scenery. Nothing really important that I'm looking for, just walking around exploring. And look what we have here, more plants. They always have like different plants and everything along the side, which is pretty cool. We have people also here selling lottery tickets, clothing. Yeah. And this building here is, this condo building here is directly across the street from a Macros. Those that live there, no, so Macros is like a Costco for the US, which is very convenient for those that live there.
Look at the fish market, guys. Look how big those boys are. mother cow. It looks like a restaurant or some form of a factory. And then next to it, there's a place where they're serving different meals. And then that's mother. A grill spot next to a car wash if you need your vehicle washed. Oh, not a car wash, but a laundromat. Autumn Sook 27. Look at these buildings, guys. They are so rustic. You need car batteries. There's also a battery shop. And look at that modern building, guys. So pretty. It is a little warm out here, but it is a breeze. As you can see, I'm sweating. That's because I've been walking for some time, but hey, it's all good. That's how you explore, see different areas, and get to know your surroundings. This is one of the one of the streets that we've decided to turn down on. And they have different shops, as you can see, along the way. Hey guys, look at the picture and see me last year. Yes, I know I'm still sweaty. Look how big this market is, guys. Gee.
Check this out.
Okay, here I am at another market, guys. It is giant. As you can see, there's a lot of space in order to sit, different vendors.
Everyone usually shows the glitz and glamour of Bangkok. Well, today I'm down this alley here in Autumn Sook, and as you can see, the homes and property here aren't as developed as some of the other homes that we may see in certain videos. But I just wanted to point this out to everyone so that way they can see how, you know, different areas here in Thailand actually looks.
As I continue my walk, you'll see different temples, well, a temple along the way, and I'm just showing you some of the streets and the images that you're able to see here in Bangkok. I'm just down one of the main, well, this one isn't a main street, but I'm down one of the streets off the main road, and there's a hair shop.
I just realized we're actually walking on top of the water here.
Unreal. They put these concrete barriers down.
And it's actually water. As you can see, right up there, those are the newer condos and everything. And these are some of the areas where people actually live.
This is the canal or the waterway that ran under the path where I was walking. And along this walk, you will see the temple that I was referring to earlier. And I'm just going to be quiet now so that you can see the close-up views of this temple. It's really pretty.
Okay, a real Muay Thai gym here. This is what you see when you explore. I hope you guys can see them. And they're just practicing in here. Okay, and the kids trying to figure out what's going on with my hair. Because of course they haven't seen anything like this before. Walking down their little side streets here in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, this is the view from where I am. Look at him, guys. He's just sitting there chilling, looking all pretty.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for tuning in each week to my videos and my channel. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what else you'd like to see as I continue to show you different areas of Bangkok.
And there's a 7-Eleven. Hair studio. A DHL place if you need any shipping done. Here's a spot for you. Hair place. Relax. That's here. Wash and dry your clothes nearby.